Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Poetic case review. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be reviewing the Poetic Guardian Black Clear case with magnet for MagSafe for the new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I am using a dummy device, the perfect representation and tool for case reviews and other products as well. Now the only thing I'm not going to be able to do is turn on the dummy device. Anyway, let's get a good look at the packaging here. As always, Poetic gives you a very nice, simple presentation. On the back, we have the Poetic Guardian MagSafe Galaxy S26 Ultra Black Clear case information there. And all the way towards the bottom, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, X, YouTube, and Twitter. And without further ado, let's do this. Okay, we have two screen protector accessory kits here because Poetic is giving you two tempered glass screen protectors. That is crazy, man. That is really, really crazy. And what I mean by that, that's a huge thumbs up. Information. Again, read everything. Attention. Please separate the front frame from the lower right corner. And you can see right there, separating front casing from rear case. There's a little gap right there. And that's where I stick my thumbnail and separate the hard plastic frame from the back part of the case, which is the black clear. Yeah, that is nice. Put that there. And on the inside, you got your magnetic ring. All corners will have pockets, except for the corner where your S pin is located, and that's right there. Huge cutout there to utilize the S pin, plenty of space to get to that. You have this overlapping material there, which is really going to help with protecting the corner of your S26 Ultra and the S pin area there. Let's go ahead and peel away the protective film. That is just a good looking case. It's always been one of my favorites. Got a lot of lip action going on to protect all of them cameras back there on that S26 Ultra. You got the gray, the black, very nice color scheme going on there. TPU material along the sides, top and bottom. So you have a good amount of flex there. Right now I am sporting the Banks tempered glass Warrior screen protector, and I'm thinking I should take that off and put on what Poetic has given me in the packaging, only because I've used this Glass Warrior screen protector now in every case video, and it works with every case that I've reviewed from quite a few different companies, and I think it's time to show off a different tempered glass screen protector. This Glass Warrior tempered glass screen protector is a thumbs up. It is a pass. I'll leave a link for it down below in the description area. It's good to have options, and it's just nice to see when one product works with a lot of other products. It's very case friendly, and that's very important. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video a little bit as I go through the process of installing the Poetic tempered glass screen protector. All right, so let's do this. took a few minutes to get those bubbles out, but just be patient. I would go through the installation process sometime during your day when everything is a little more kicked back. There's not too much happening, so you don't screw up the process. But Poetic gives you 2 in case that actually happens. Yeah, the bubbles, you just got to work them out with your thumbnail. You can use the microcloth, or if you have a squeegee, but just be patient. That was a really nice installation, very simple. These days I'm used to having a guide, and so getting it on here and making sure that it was even all the way around the S26 Ultra display. Yeah, it takes a little bit more patience, a little bit more of a challenge, but it looks great. Got a little cutout there for the front-facing camera. Really, really digging it. Thank you, Poetic. And that's great, because if you're ordering a case through Poetic for your brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, you don't have to purchase a tempered glass screen protector. And that right there is a thumbs up, folks. All right, so let's get to the case here. You got the frame. It's going to go over the top. And so I start at an angle like this, and then I work my way up, making sure there are no gaps all the way around. And let me get my big cloth here, my big boy. No issues with the screen protector coming up anywhere. Sides, top, bottom, and corners.
Can you dig it? Can you dig it?
Love it. On the back, look at all of that camera lip and depth. Let me show you from the other side. Yeah, that is nice. When setting down on a flat surface, if it's a little bit rough, you're good to go. If it's extremely rough, folks, purchase some camera glass lens protectors. I love the white through that clear back. That looks really nice. I'm going to be receiving some skins, so a case like this is great, not only for the protection, but so you can see the device itself, or if you are using a skin, you can see the skin. Yeah, very, very nice. You can see the recessed area up top, just a little bit there for the combo earpiece and speaker. Again, you got that little cutout there with the tempered glass screen protector, and plenty of lip all the way around, folks. There's a lot of protection going on here. Glass protector, lip action, flat surface, a little bit rough, you're good to go. If it's pretty darn rough, you're still good to go. I mean, you could scratch up the glass protector, but that's what it's for. Up top, let me go in a little bit there. You can see the cutout for the 2 top mics. On the other side, you got a flap protecting the USB Type-C charging port, and the bottom mic is exposed. That is really nice for those of you that work in a rugged and tough environment, indoors, outdoors, or if you're an outdoorsy person, so you don't get a lot of crap in there. So that's nice. Got a deep cutout there for the speaker grill, and huge cutout for the S Pen. A lot of protection for that corner area. I am loving it. Look at that ridged grip action going on there. Look at that. All right, let's go back out on the other side. Poetic brand name. Ridge textured grip. Power button. Volume rocker. Covered up, protected. All of those areas will work perfectly. Folks, all cutouts will be precise. All buttons will work. Plenty of lip on the back, the front. Yeah, you can't go wrong. Let's test out the magnetic attraction, because we cannot turn on a dummy device. But folks, don't you worry. Don't be anxious. Do not fret. you will get wireless charging. So let's do the swing and the shake. And that magnet is strong. It is solid. Now I do have a magnetic wallet from Tudia. I want to see if that works. So if you have a battery pack that's about the size of that, should work. There's definitely a magnetic hold there. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay. Let's test out my UAG magnetic ring stand. So if you want to add a kickstand, and there's a lot of different companies you can buy these type of accessories from. So you can go into portrait mode. It's nice. You can bring that a little bit down there, the slant. You can go into landscape mode. That's how I like to use my devices when using a kickstand. So yeah, that's very nice. I think this little area comes out too. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So that really extends out like that. So it's really nice to see that there are products that you can intermix with other companies. It's just, you know, one of those areas that a lot of you will ask questions about it, as far as MagSafe accessories you got laying around that you want to utilize, but you're concerned that are they going to work with another brand? And so with those two items, it's a go. I do actually have a pretty darn big battery pack here from UAG. That's a 10,000 milliamp battery pack. Wow, it's pretty solid. You got a kickstand. You can go into portrait mode, landscape mode. Yeah, if you're on the go and there's nowhere else to charge and you're carrying something this big, you can utilize it. Okay, with that, I'll leave links for all of those products along with the Banks glassware that I took off earlier. And yeah, the star of the show, the Guardian black clear case with magnet for MagSafe, 2 screen protectors, plenty of protection all the way around. And you'll be able to utilize everything about this case with your S26 Ultra. So Poetic, thank you so much. Huge thumbs up. Really appreciate the opportunity. To all of you for checking out this video. If there's any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. And with that, stay tuned for more case videos for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the newest smartphone, flagship smartphone from Samsung. Peace. I'm out.